Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone video sound not working. So let's get straight into it. So if your iPhone isn't playing sound in videos, whether in the Photos app or other apps, it can be super frustrating. So here's what you can do to fix that problem. So first, ensure your volume is turned up. So you can use the buttons on the side of your phone, or you can swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center here. So you can just use the volume slider to increase the volume, like so. And if the sound issue persists, go back to the control center here and tap the Bluetooth icon and turn it off. Because sometimes your iPhone might be connected to another device like headphones or a speaker, causing the audio to connect elsewhere. So now, if that didn't work in the Photos app, open the video and check if it's muted. If it is, tap the mute icon to unmute it and see if the sound works. For other apps, check for a similar mute button as the location will vary depending on the app. Okay. If the issue still isn't resolved, it could be a glitch. So try force restarting your iPhone. So to do that, just press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. So just hold it until you see the Apple logo. Okay? And once your iPhone restarts, check the video sound again. And hopefully, one of these methods will fix the problem in your video sound. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can fix iPhone video sound not working. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.